I gave my first attempt in 2022. I skipped the 2021 attempt because I was very underprepared. Underprepared in terms of the mains preparation. Many of us will think that now we'll clear prelims and after that we'll prepare for mains. But it doesn't work like that. You have to clear this exam, you have to be mains prepared. That is the first fundamental lesson that I have learned from this journey. So don't take your attempt very granted. So they से बात करते हैं. Take every attempt seriously तभी आप जरूर सीख पाते हैं. So मैंने 2022 attempt दिया था, obviously prelims नहीं निकला था. So then I had come to IAS. Then I had the opportunity to meet IAS Mohan sir. So that's when my journey with IAS Baba started. So I started giving tests every week. So mostly I rarely miss any tests. I've been very disciplined with the tests. We had the core group of at least 3-4 people. So what I would say is, there are many people here, so it's very impractical to discuss everything among all of you. So what I would say is that have a core group of friends, at least 2 to 3 people. So you can regularly come and give the tests. So one of my friends is Vasundhara. I think we used to give regularly. So I know her from more than 2 years. Means she is also giving the interview. One of my friends from Gaurav. Last time also he has given the interview, but unfortunately he couldn't get interview. But the reason why I am saying that is that your core group plays a major role in your mentality. So please do have, even though you have to study in isolation, but please do have a core group of at least 3 to 4 friends who you can talk to, literally about anything regarding the preparation. It's very, very important. And the thing is, whenever you want to speak things out, a lot of time it so happens that we become mentally very, very drained. There is no one to listen to us. So parents, we can't talk everything about UPSC preparation. So friends, we talk about normally actually baat hoti hai. Sorry for using unparliamentary language. I think during those times you have to come to meet mentors like others. The good thing about him is lot of market में क्या होता है? There are lot many people to give you ज्ञान. ठीक है, मेरे को सवाल पूछ लो, ChatGPT में भी आपको ज्ञान देगा. But the thing is, आज की जमाने में सुनने वाले लोग कोई नहीं है. I think सुनने वाले लोग होने चाहिए. हमारा सर से बात कर लो. I think वो काफी इश्यू को पहले सुनते हैं. Lot of times we don't need solution. We want people to hear us out. I think Rawat is also one of my core groups. I think last year also he has given them, this year also he has given them. I think he is also one of my TLP members. So that is the thing about core group. And so basically, this game is we must look at the barest of margins. So if you are a follower of cricket, you would understand this. My first prelims, I lost the cutoff by 0.6 something marks. So even if I would have left one question, I would have qualified. So last year means I missed the cutoff by 2 marks. I missed the interview call by 2 marks. So the reason why I am mentioning these numbers is, you might lose the game, but that doesn't mean you have done everything wrong. You have done certain things right, but it's just that you didn't get that cutoff. So you don't need to glorify people who have qualified who didn't qualify. So there isn't very idealized strategy where he has done everything right and he got qualified. It doesn't work like that. There are things you have done right and take confidence from that. There are things you didn't do right and be very honest about them, be very ruthless about them, try to improve about them. Okay? Don't think very negatively whenever you don't get qualified. Think where things you can improve. Be very honest with yourself. So don't be very harsh on yourself also. Why ये क्यों नहीं हुआ, ये क्यों नहीं हुआ, मतलब इतना कट ऑफ से क्यों नहीं हुआ. It's okay. It happens. बेस्ट तो दिया है कि नहीं, ये आप उसके सवाल से पूछो, तो तभी आप इम्प्रूवमेंट कर पाते हैं.